Hey everyone, I am going to draw a winner for the drawing of the Radley London jewelry box. Yay! So I am going to copy the video URL. I know you can't see it very well, but now I'm going to go to comment picker. Oh, it's got to advertise to me a little bit. So we're at the random comment picker. We're going to go down here and put our video link in. And then filter by comments or words, and we're going to put jewelry. All right. Go down a little bit. One winner, show random names, 1 plus 7 is 8. And I'm going to get YouTube comments. 45 comments. And now we're going to go over here to start raffle and pick winner. Here we go. Good luck. Carol Jones. All right. Congrats, Carol. I am going to, well, actually, you can send me an email to mystuffstyle@gmail.com and let me know where I should ship it. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye. Hello, everyone, and welcome to my channel. I am Stephanie, and today I am doing an unboxing of a fun box. I love fun boxes, and you know what? The first fun boxes I ever got were kind of meh, and so I didn't get any for a very long time, but once I started back up, I don't know if they changed something or what, but they've been great. They're great. Like, seriously, I've rarely gotten a bad one in the last couple of years, so yeah, I'm super happy about that. So anyway, I have my favorite t-shirt on. I have to say, I don't have anything fancy on today. I don't even have my wedding ring or any jewelry, but I have this t-shirt. I have this in like 6 colors. I have 2 this color, and then it's really soft. It's Pilcro brand, and it's just my favorite. I live in terror of thinking that these will all get ruined and then I won't have them left. So I do wear them in the summer because they're super cool. All right, let's open this fun box. Fun boxes are $34 plus tax and shipping, comes out to about $50. So that's about, and you get 10 items, but sometimes they group items together and call it one item. So, all right, let's do this. Here is the box I got. I didn't even realize I forgot to cross off my address and all that, but that's okay. So it's average weight, not busting at the seams, which is good. So let's get this opened. And they actually taped this one up pretty good. So yay for that. Let's see. I think I heard the sides came loose or something. Oh geez. Okay. All right. All right, here we go. That is nothing. Can't tell anything from that, but there is the first look. Huh. All right, just in time for winter, we've got some. I do see something really good in there. I'm not sure if you saw it. I'm not gonna pull it out right away though, but I'm gonna pull out this right away. This is a pair of women's. Let's see, global standard base layer pant. Women's 2-pack of base layer long underwear is what we call this. There's no chance you'll ever catch me wearing these, even if I'm skiing and it's -60. Way too hot for me. Way too hot. So if you're interested in these, they will be for sale. These, if you do live in the north and you like to do things, you know, outside in the winter, they're good. My husband and I like to go snowshoeing, but I do not wear long underwear. Heck no. All right. Anyway, next up is this. I don't know what. I think it's a belt. It came in the bag like this. It's hard to get out of here. Okay, Anne Klein size XL, and it's a belt. Oops, it's a belt. It's got it's 2 belts. I see. This is the one. This is stretchy. It's really stretchy. Could fit probably size medium to extra large. Because it does stretch. Wow, that's a pretty belt. Look at this. That is and it looks brand new. There's no wear to it at all. There's no price tag on this one though. But it's really nice. I can get the dimensions of what it stretches to, but I'm gonna grab this because it fell on the floor. Okay, this is really cute. This is a size XL, and it looks like leather, but I don't know if it's real leather. Here we go. It's like this. It's got this really cute gemstone detail here. There's the tag. It looks new. So it's Ann Taylor. Can't tell. It does feel like real leather. Made in Italy. Wow, this is nice. No wonder. I'm guessing it is real leather if it was made in Italy. I just feel like it was. So, all right. Really cute. Cute belts. Was not expecting to get a belt. Oh, wow. Now we have got a bustier. Another one. I got one last time in blue. What size do we have? A size medium. This is not a cheap one, I'll tell you. It's really heavy. Okay, there it is. It's perfect for Halloween time because someone will love that unless one of you want to buy it. It is 90% polyester, 5% cotton, 5% elastane. I do not see a brand name on this. This is really, really nice. It's got the metal. I can tell it's got the boning inside. It's not metal boning, so that's actually good. But here's where this is nice and stiff right here. So this is really nice. It's a nice bustier. I think someone will buy that for a costume. I know that these things usually do run pretty small, but look at this. These are great. So yeah, I like it. All right, I am gonna pull out this one because I can't wait any longer. Kate Spade. It looks brand new. This is gorgeous. It's a portfolio with a little, is it a calendar? With room for your cards, and it's leather, and it's got like there's no, let's see, birthdays to do. So it's a reference book, and it has not been used, by the way. I don't know if you can buy a little calendar to put in there, but I bet you could. You can see the Kate Spade labeled interior. And then, yeah, this is gorgeous. This is unbelievable, really. Kate Spade, it's brand new. Let's make sure it zips. It's perfect. It's in perfect condition. Okay, there's no tags on it, so I wouldn't say it's giftable condition, but if there were tags, it would definitely be giftable because it's in excellent condition. Okay, now we have a, ooh, woohoo, Lily, I don't know how you say this, Lily Sadoe. We have a Lily Sadoe headband in like a leopard print. Feels like silk. Brand new condition. This is designer. So I'm not sure what these are worth. I don't buy headbands usually. But let's just see. I'm having a crazy hair day today, but what do you think? You know what? I do like this, but I almost always default to selling it. So anyway, this is adorable. Wow, so far I'm super happy with this box. We've got a size extra small black, tigermist.com.au, and it looks like some lingerie. Ooh la la. Let's see. How do I get this untangled? Okay, there. Oh, this is extra small. Holy moly. Look at this. So it's just a little bralette bustier kind of thing. I see the back is, straps are kind of tangled in the back. Not tangled, but anyway, that's what this is. It's really, really, it's beautiful. I wish it was my size. It's an extra small. OMG. I think we've got a black theme going on here. Almost everything I'm getting is black. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. There's some really cute things in here. Okay, next up, I know this thing. Are you ready? Because I know this thing's gonna sell fast. Someone's gonna buy it. It's a cat belt bag. It's a belt bag with cat. It's made of nylon. The brand is Flock 3. And I don't see any size on it, but it looks new. I don't see anywhere. Most of the things you get in these, as you probably know, are new. They're not just, oh, wow, okay. And then we got something else inside of it. Two things. Okay, wow. I don't know what, this is in there, it's a card holder. And then this is in there. I do not know what that is. Oh, it looks like a little camera. So the camera, And this little drac, I don't know how you say that, drac out. So that's in there, and then but this is adorable. Here's the inside of it so you can see it. There's nobody's used it, it's not dirty, there's no wear, it's brand new. That's adorable. And there's a back zip on the back side too. This is so cute. It's got cats. Look at the little cats doing different things. Oh my gosh, so cute. 3 things left and I still have a really good thing. Oh wow, okay. Fashion tights, a new day. If you are like me, I love tights. I like to wear them in the fall and in the winter when it's a little colder. Look at those tights. They're size medium large. They're a new day, which is Target's generic brand. There's the size chart in case you want to have a look. These are gorgeous for a skirt in the winter, so yay for that. All right, 2 more things. We have got this adorable Silo, C-Y-L-O. Never heard of it. Crossbody, bling phone crossbody. Look at that. Brand new. That's really cute. Look at how blingy it is. And then they've got a little hole here so you can, that's really nice. It's a bling crossbody. The chain, it's like a silver chain. You can see the chain right there. So that's really cute. Let's see. Made of polyester, rhinestone, and high quality durable shoulder chain. There's a picture of it in use. Right over there. So, all right, that's really cute. And the last item is another really good thing, and that is a pair of Quay Australia glasses. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Look at these. Oh, I'm tempted to keep. I don't wear sunglasses, but that is just, these are gorgeous. They're really cool sunglasses. They are brand new. I don't see any, let me make sure with my glasses on. Quay, Muse is the product name. Oh, let's see it on. Amanda. Quay X Amanda. I don't know what that means. They're in there. This size, this style is just wonderful. Wow, these are so nice. Okay, these will sell for a pretty penny. Unless you buy them here because you'll get them cheaper here. So, all right. I'm super happy with this box. Let's do one last one. So we got the Quay Australia glasses. I've sold those before, by the way, and they always sell well. Bling crossbody bag. A New Day black tights. They're kind of like patterned or whatever. These 2 things came in the kitty bag. We've got this little card holder. Couldn't make out what the name was. Drake and Hout or something like that. Anyway, this little tiny zip top bag with a camera on it. Does not look like it has any wear either. The cute cat bag. The extra small Tiger Mist bralette kind of thing. Lily Sadowi headband. Are you kidding me? I can't believe that. This is the best, I think, in the whole, this journal by Kate Spade. I don't know. I'm going to think about keeping that one. And then we've got this size medium. I'll get measurements on this. That is great. Someone's going to want to buy that for Halloween, I bet. Those are not cheap to buy because I've bought them before. This made in Italy leather belt, size extra large by Anne Klein. It's a skinny belt. Last but not least, this. Oh wait, I got one more thing after this. This stretchy silver belt with this on the front. And last but not least, boo, that means cold weather's coming. Okay, let me know if you'd like to buy anything from this box. mystuffstyle@gmail.com is where you send an email. So, and then I invoice via PayPal. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.